This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your OS build and the exact wireless adapter model so you fetch the precise driver. Open Device Manager, expand network adapters and Bluetooth, note vendor and version. If you lack internet on that PC, use a phone or another computer to download the official driver package from the manufacturer. Once downloaded, transfer via USB. Now locate the driver. Inf or installer, don't install yet. Prepare to run with admin rights. Now you perform the install. You right-click the adapter and choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer to point at the downloaded folder. If Windows offers incompatible versions, choose Let Me Pick and select the matching. Inf file to force the correct driver. For vendor installers, run as administrator, follow prompts and accept certificates. Make sure to close networking apps first. Once the installer finishes, reboot immediately so kernel modules and services load cleanly. Finish by testing both radios. Connect to Wi-Fi network, ping a reliable host, and pair a Bluetooth device to confirm profiles load. If you see instability, dropouts, or errors, open Device Manager, select the device, and choose Roll Back Driver or Uninstall and reinstall the previous driver. If the system fails to boot after install, boot to safe mode and use Device Manager or System Restore to revert. This single rollback option is your key recovery path. Make sure you know the restore point before changing drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.